cold rain pours down over me. And I am soaked in your lies, drenched by your pain, feeling your tempo consistently change. And I'm afraid you don't care, afraid you'll run away. Staring at the raindrops, feeling my own teardrops start to flow, rolling down my frowning face, drowning. I'm in last place, down I go. I'm under the waves, I'm sinking again. Why can't you reach out and make this all change?